Even if you've never had food poisoning, you probably know someone who has. Food poisoning is actually fairly common and affects millions of people a year. Food poisoning happens when we eat foods that are contaminated with organisms that can harm our bodies, such as bacteria, parasites, and viruses. It causes nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, abdominal pain, and can take about 8 days to pass. There are a few natural remedies that can help relieve these unpleasant symptoms. Ginger. Ginger has been used for a long time to help aid digestion, especially for morning sickness. Furthermore, it's used to help with vomiting, a common symptom of food poisoning. You can make some ginger tea to relieve these symptoms by boiling a cup of water with a teaspoon of grated ginger, or just eat raw ginger in slices. Apple cider vinegar. Even though it's an acid, when apple cider vinegar gets metabolized in our body, it has an alkaline effect, which can relieve several of food poisoning symptoms. Organic, unfiltered apple cider vinegar also has properties that can kill bacteria and give you relief from the symptoms. A good way to benefit from it is by mixing 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar in a cup of hot water. Drink this before meals. Basil. During the time when you have food poisoning, it's very common to feel abdominal discomfort. Basil can help a lot with these pains and also fight the microorganisms that are causing the poisoning. You can drink juice made from basil leaves with a tablespoon of honey several times a day, or add a few drops of basil oil to 4 cups of water and drink it all throughout the day. Activated charcoal. A good remedy for food poisoning is vegetable charcoal, also known as activated charcoal, because it inhibits the gastrointestinal absorption of the toxins responsible for food poisoning, relieving the symptoms. You can take it in the form of powder mixed with water or in capsules. Garlic. Garlic is also a powerful natural remedy for food poisoning, mainly due to its virus, bacteria, and fungi-fighting properties. Garlic can also help with diarrhea and abdominal pain. You can make a tea out of it by adding 1 garlic clove to 1 cup of boiling water. Mix in a cup of honey and drink the tea. It's important to know that if you have a high fever, severe abdominal pain, or are vomiting a lot, you should go to see a doctor. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.